Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the MACD future indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is an improved version of the MACD indicator, which not only displays the MACD on the regular chart, but also provides a prediction of what the MACD will look like in future candles that have not yet formed. It offers a forecast of the market's future for the
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
MACD, giving us an insight into the market's future. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the period of the fast-moving average, or the moving average with a smaller size. The next option is the period of the slow-moving average, or the moving average with a higher period, which we can specify. The third option is the signal line period, where the higher we set this number, the smoother this red line becomes, and it will have fewer changes. The next option is the MACD display mode, which is shown here as a histogram. We can choose from 3 options: line, histogram, and bars. If we select line, the MACD will also be displayed with a line in this manner. If we choose histogram, it will be like the previous mode, and if we select bars, it will display with arrows, which here is shown with crosses for the MACD. The next option is the width of the MACD lines, which can be a number between 1 and 5. The larger we want it to be, the higher we should set this number. The next option is the color of the MACD, which is silver, and we can choose from these colors here. The next option is the same settings for the signal line, which can be in the form of a line, histogram, or bars, with the default being a line. We can also specify the width of the signal lines and their color there. The next option is for alerts, which if set to true, will issue an alert for the MACD crossing with the signal line. The following option, if set to true, will not only display the alert on the screen, but also send it to our mailbox as an email. Let's test it live and see this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's test it live and see this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.